Hi everyone, Courtney Chilson here, and this is a look at our next line of Stampin' Framelits, Moments and Memories. With this collection, you'll have everything you need to cover your crafts all year round, whether it's some cute holiday embellishments for your gifts, to everyday events such as birthdays and well wishes. So let's get started with some great designs for your holiday season. With our Cutest Pumpkin set, you are sure to have all your fall crafting needs covered. As you can see, they really are the cutest pumpkins in the pumpkin patch. But the best part about this pumpkin stamp set is your interchangeable faces. So with this pumpkin, it comes with 4 adorable faces to interchange with your pumpkin. But if you want to opt out for the stamps, you also have these cute, adorable thinlits to pair with your framelit if you want to double your cuteness. You also have this great trick-or-treat thinlit that pairs nice with your framelit. It's going to make a great trick-or-treat bag, all the way to your great fun fall embellishments for your holiday cards. This will have you covered for the fall season. Next is our Christmas Doodles, which is my personal favorite due to the doodle style and how it brings a unique style to any holiday project. With this set, your holiday makes are sure to go a long way. With a fun Merry Christmas sentiment to all the holiday trimmings such as a tree, holly, and ornaments, your possibilities are endless with this holiday set. They say every snowflake is unique, and these snowflakes are no exception. With the Snowflake Doodles, your winter makes are sure to stand out. You get these 6 different snowflake stamps, as well as snowflake flurries, snowflake streamer, and a winter wonderland sentiment to give your winter makes a nice sparkle. If you're looking for some great stamps and framelits for all year round, our layering ovals are a guaranteed must-have. This set comes with 4 stamps that pair perfectly with their layering framelits. Each framelit has its own unique edge, from chevrons to scallops, making them all great for layering on top of one another for a fun card front or individual tags for your holidays or birthdays. The sky is the limit. Now, you can never be without a great birthday and thank you stamp, so why not have a great layering label shape to pair with it? With the layering label set, you get a nice label shape with all those same great edges we saw before. And the great thing about this set is you get 4 of the most common sentiments all in one place. Happy birthday, feel better soon, thank you, and congrats. All the sentiments you use most year round. So thanks for taking a look at our next line of Moments and Memories, and as always, happy crafting.